dipped them in the water. Just a little bit at a time. My bad.
Yeah, a little mud.
Do that to me, because then I'm like, what? I have to look.
Say he put them on the mud and they went out.
Yeah.
Say he put them on the mud and they just went out with the undertow.
Not gonna get out. Oh, there's a lot of me to get down.
There's a lot of me.
Have you seen me run in these pants?
Have you seen me run at all? No.
When she went to put those things on, she was like putting them on like this.
Yeah, so was I. That's why I'm glad the shower has 2 curtains.
Nice. Thinking.
What about? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Molly!
Brandon! Brandon, don't do that! No! Get back here, Brandon!
That's not funny.
Brandon, that's really rude!
That's
terrible.
Come on.
Brandon, get them out of the water!
Take them out, Molly.
Brandon!
Come on, what's wrong with you?
They're supposed to be.
Gosh darn you, Brandon! This is Bible camp, for goodness sake. We don't do that.
I'm gonna fall.
You're
I'm not getting down there.
Ew, Molly, your socks are your shoes.
Here, just come here, just come here, just come here. She'll get them, they're fine.
See,
Come here.
guys, oh my God.
Yeah, well, that's what
God.
happens
Oh
when
my
you
God,
take my bra.
Get them.
Take my bra.
Okay.
One for
That,
It's so evil.
Yeah, apologize to my baby.
apology.